Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python in Kaggle easily. Kaggle provides an excellent platform for aspiring data scientists and Python enthusiasts. You can start with their free, interactive courses, which guide you through Python fundamentals and data science concepts. The best part is you can code directly in your browser using Kaggle notebooks, applying what you learn to real datasets without any setup. This hands-on approach accelerates your learning journey significantly. Kaggle Learn offers structured courses perfect for beginners. Start with the Python course to grasp essential syntax, data types, and functions. Once comfortable, move to the Pandas course, which teaches you how to effectively manipulate and analyze data frames, a crucial skill in data science. For those ready to apply their knowledge, the Intro to Machine Learning course provides a solid foundation in building predictive models using Python libraries. Each course includes practical exercises. Kaggle notebooks are your personal sandbox for learning. They provide a fully integrated environment where you can write and execute Python code directly in your browser. This means no complex installations are needed. Just open a notebook and start coding. You can experiment with different code cells, see the output instantly, and even fork existing notebooks from other users. This allows you to learn from diverse coding styles and problem-solving techniques, enhancing your understanding. To truly solidify your Python skills, engage with the Kaggle community. Participate in competitions to apply your knowledge to real-world problems and see how your solutions compare. The discussion forums are invaluable for asking questions, getting help, and sharing your insights with fellow learners. This collaborative environment fosters continuous growth. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Keep practicing, and your Python proficiency will soar.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.